How are you? My name is Ipsa. Today we are doing a maths topic of circles. We've done some basic terms in one another part. Part A we had done some basic terms of the circles. आज हम थोड़ी सी और advanced basic terms कर लेते हैं, and then we'll be set for class 9th and class 10th. Okay, quickly, what's a secant? There's a line which is called secant. What's a secant? Secant is something which cuts the circle. So cutting the circle. Cut करने का मतलब क्या है कि एक तो लाइन होनी चाहिए, लंबी सी लाइन होनी चाहिए जो सर्कल के बाहर भी निकल जाए, और इट शुड टच द सर्कल एट 2 पॉइंट्स. देखो, जब ये कट कर रही है सर्कल को, इज कटिंग एट ए पॉइंट एंड कटिंग एट बी पॉइंट. व्हेन दे आर सच 2 पॉइंट्स वेयर इट touches the circle or cuts the circle, that is what is called a secant. A similar line is called a tangent. What is a tangent is, इसमें क्या था, 2 points पे touch करता था. A tangent touches at only 1 point. It doesn't cut the circle into parts. वो बस छूते हुए, हल्का सा छूते हुए निकल जाते हैं, and that is what is called a tangent. It has only 1 point of contact. Remember, only 1 point of contact. Now this will also be a secant. Can we call it a secant? Yes, we can, because ये देखो दो जगह कट कर रही है. Can we call this a secant? Yes, it's ये point है और यहाँ पे point है, दो point को कट कर रही है. It's a secant. Can we have more tangents here? Of course we have. We have many more tangents here. This is a tangent. It's touching the circle at point P. This is a tangent. It's touching the circle at point Q. So that's what a tangent is, and you can draw infinite number of tangents like this. Now comes circumference of a circle or perimeter of a circle. It's simple. I know you've done it earlier, just revision. Circumference is when you just walk on the boundary. या आप यहाँ पे फेंस लगा देते हो, या आप एक प्लेग्राउंड के अराउंड रनिंग कर रहे हो, या आप प्लेस लगा रहे हो अराउंड और ड्राइंग. यू मेकिंग अ बाउंड्री. इफ यू जस्ट वॉकिंग हियर 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 हियर, यू आर नॉट एंटरिंग द सर्कल, यू आर नॉट एग्जिटिंग द सर्कल. सिर्फ इसके ऊपर ही आप घूम रहे हो. इट्स कॉल्ड द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल और द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सर्कल. इट्स फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो यू नो, 2 pi r. R is the radius. Pi we know is a constant whose value is 22/7. It does not change ever. So if I have to find the circumference, this length, it's a length, right? It's a length. So the unit will be in meters. That's what circumference is. Now area and circumference are different in the sense, circumference में तो आप ऊपर चारों तरफ ही घूमते रहते हो, उसकी बाउंड्री पे घूमते रहते. एरिया में क्या होता है, you get inside the park, get inside the lawn. There is a grass here, and you are walking merrily in this park, inside the park. You're not touching the boundary, or you're just about touching the boundary. Yeah, you can say I'm painting this entire circle. तो यहाँ कितना paint use होगा. So that is called area of the circle, and its formula is simple: pi r square. We know this formula. R square, if we try to understand it nicely, R into R. No, I know, you know it well. So pi r square is the area of the circle, and R, obviously we know this distance is called the R. Okay. Now comes, remember we had done a term called sector in part A of the basic terms. Sector was what? कि आप center से एक radius बनाओ touching the circle, सेंटर से एक और रेडियस बनाओ which touches the circle, and इतना सा पोर्शन ले लो सर्कल का, not the full circumference. Now this thing, if you remember, was called the arc AB. ये थोड़ा सा part of the circumference is called the arc, इतना सा, the minor arc, छोटा arc. Okay, so that was the pizza piece was called the sector. Now what we are trying to find is the perimeter of the sector. Now there's no rocket science in perimeter of a sector. कोई special formula भी नहीं है. हमें क्या करना है, ये ऐड कर लो, ये ऐड कर लो, ये ऐड कर लो। हमें क्या करना है, हमें इस सेक्टर के चारों मतलब बाउंड्री पे चलना है, 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 यहाँ सब चलना है। सो ऑब्वियसली वी नीड टू ऐड दिस, वी हैव टू ऐड दिस एंड वी नीड टू ऐड दिस। अब ये तो हमें पता है कि सिंपल्स आर, ये हमें पता है आर। व्हाट इज दिस? इस आर्क का एक फॉर्मूला होता है, इट्स कॉल्ड एल। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द सिंबल फॉर आर्क इज एल। इट्स थीटा बाय 360 2 pi r. Okay, theta is what? This angle, 30 degree, 60 degree, 80 degree, whatever it is. This is the theta. So I want to find just this small piece of the boundary. Then the formula is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Now if I want to find the perimeter of the pizza piece of the sector, what I'll do, r plus this l. एल हम पहले से ही कैलकुलेट कर चुके होंगे, राइट? एल आप पहले ही कैलकुलेट कर लोगे. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ द सेक्टर विल बी आर प्लस आर विच इज 2r and L. Good. Now let's come to area of the sector. Sector I'm not explaining again. This is the sector which is a pizza piece. Area means now we eating this pizza piece. हम उसकी बाउंड्री के चारों तरफ सॉस नहीं डाल रहे हैं, we are eating this pizza piece. Alright, now if I eat this pizza piece, what is the area? Now this has a special formula. This is again r. This is again some angle which will be given to us, theta. So here the area of the sector, what we eating, what we are coloring, or where we are moving around is theta upon 360 into pi r square. वही pi r square का theta upon 360. वही. Okay, now comes a simple thing, segment. Segment was what? आपने एक chord draw की थी और बस सर्कल के दो पार्ट्स हो गए थे. एक आपने chord draw की AB and it got divided into two parts. There were no pizza piece shapes. There was just segment shapes. So if I have to find the perimeter of this segment, so what will I do? It's very obvious कि मैं ये चल रही हूँ, यहाँ चल रही हूँ, फिर मैं यहाँ चल रही हूँ. This is what I'm doing, right? So I'll have to add this arc and I'll have to add the length of the chord. So there's no specific formula for this. Length of the arc हमें पता है is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here will be the theta. So you'll find the arc separately, L separately, and you'll add it to the chord length. This plus this will give you the perimeter of the segment. Okay, in an area that doesn't have any concept only, we'll have to find it by different methods, doing various combinations, permutations, and we have to find this area of the segment. There's no specific formula for this, but this is what it means कि आपने एक कॉर्ड बनाया और उस पूरे कॉर्ड में से जो सर्कल बचा उसको पेंट कर दिया. एक साइड ऑफ द माइनर सेगमेंट को सपोज मैंने पेंट कर दिया या पेपर से कवर कर दिया या कुछ भी ऐसा काम कर दिया. ठीक है, होपफुली these basic terms are clear. All the best.